Okay, you're looking at the Hensvik crib from Ikea. This is a $99 crib, and I think we got the mattress also at Ikea for around $60. We've got the animal print sheet, really fun, and we want to keep it pretty monochrome, so we're doing like kind of a white and gray theme. And good looking crib, little kind of curvy top rail as opposed to the straight rails that they have over there. We did include the optional skirt for around $6 or $7, so check that out. Anyhow, that was the Hensvik crib assembly. Thanks for watching.